Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Park the Chrysler Pacifica on level ground, set the parking brake, and remove the key from the ignition. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds if you will work near electrical connectors under the dash or in the engine bay. Wear gloves and eye protection. Keep a rag for fluid or debris. Use a quality handheld vacuum pump rated to 30 in Hg and attach a clear 1/4-inch hose to avoid hidden leaks. Inspect vacuum hoses visually. Cracked hoses replace at once and route away from hot components. Locate HVAC vacuum actuators under the dash near the blower housing and feel for the small plastic test port or nipple on each actuator. Attach the 1/4-inch clear hose from the handheld pump to the actuator port and slowly apply vacuum until you see the actuator move into the closed or open position. Hold the vacuum for 30 seconds. A good actuator will hold at least 15 in Hg without dropping and will move smoothly. If it does not move or loses vacuum, replace the actuator or the connecting hose and retest. To test the brake booster, locate the booster vacuum check port on the firewall connection or the booster itself and attach the pump hose while the engine is off. Apply 20 in Hg and watch the gauge. The system should hold static vacuum without slipping. Start the engine and monitor booster vacuum. It should stabilize between 18 and 22 in Hg. A rapid drop in vacuum under load or while braking indicates leaks, a faulty check valve, or a weak pump. Inspect hoses and the valve first. Replace the booster if it cannot maintain 15.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.